Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can add product from AliExpress. So this is, without further ado, let's move. So this is my product sheet. My client actually said to add product from here. So previously I have added one product. Let's write it, edit product, done, or you can say something like done. Okay, so now let's move into the next one, this one. Okay, so let's copy this name. First of all, we have to go to the product. So whenever you log in, your looks will be like that. So once you come to the Shopify homepage, your look will be like that. So you have to click the product, and after coming to the product, all you have to do, you need to click the add product. So before I add to the product, I need to see that is this product existing in my store. No. So let's click the add product, and after that I will click the product name, and then I already trained ChatGPT to give me product description. If I say that write description like before, actually ChatGPT will give me description. Just what I have to do, just I'm gonna copy that and then I will paste into my video the product description. So as you can see, different description giving me, so it's really good. So let's copy all of them and then paste it into the description. And then also you can say something like write like 100% human, write like 100% human, human with keyword. So he actually will add the keyword on this description, and then he will write it like a human, so that people actually trust. Okay, so that's the main thing. So let's copy this, and okay, let's copy it and then paste it like before. So okay, so it's time to upload the product image. To add the product image, first of all I'm gonna go to the sheet, and then I will open the product link that I have to upload. So let's copy, come into over here, and once I come into over here, I am using the extension called AliExpress AliSave. So let's refresh one more time. This product actually not showing in front of me, so let's click on the download actually this product. So let's open the VPN to see that this on why it's actually not opening. So let's copy this, let's go to the another, let's paste it. Maybe here I have a VPN, so I'm gonna open the VPN and then I will try to download. Let's click the download. So all the 18 images will be downloaded here. Okay, so just all I have to do, just I need to go into the Shopify again, and prior that click the add new image, add media. So let's go to the download, and then once I come to the download, I will go to the AliSave email all media. So let's select all and just drag and drop. Okay, so I will click, and then I am just gonna go to drag, I'm gonna drag and drop. Okay, let's delete that. Let's click the add file again, and let's click the download, and then go to AliSave main image and select all of them and then open. So all the product will be uploaded here. As you can see, uploading, some of them are processing. So all you have to do, just you need to wait for a couple of seconds, and once you wait, all the images have been uploaded in Shopify. Click the done. So all the images will be uploaded. So you can drag and drop, you can upload like add the beautiful image font of the video, font of the first image. So this product, this image will be first image for this product. So let's go to the price. My client also updated the price on the sheet. The price will be $90 $19. Okay, so let's paste it in over here. Let's make it 2x, make it 2x. If I click that 2 into x, okay, so if I paste it, it will make it 2x. So guys, it's pretty simple and straightforward. So if you can use ChatGPT, your work will be 10x faster. So I 100% recommend to use that. Unit price, if you want, you can also give the unit price, and it wasn't before but currently it's updated. So total, you can also give the unit price base measurement. You can also give the kg, and then also you can gram, and then also you can give like a liter, milliliter, and if you want, you can also do that. You can also mention the weight. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it blank. So if you want, you can keep it blank. That's totally depend on you. So let's go to the how many product actually available. I have a 55 product available, and then let's click the variant, click the customer, and then from here I will see that how many variant have on this. Okay, so this is not my product, this is my product. To check the variant, I have to go to over here. So let's copy this, and then the color, they have a lot of variants. So I'm gonna add one A B C D like that. So they actually have it A B C D, they mentioned the A B C D. So you will also do it same way, so that customer will, or we can keep like A B C D for the all products, since actually those are not mentioned here. Okay, so let's go to the Shopify. Let's come to on dashboard, and then come here and then paste it the color, and then I can say something like A B C D E F G H. So let's see how many actually product available. A B C D E F G H I J K L L until N. Okay, H I J K L M N. Okay, something like that, you can keep it. So we already used L, here will be N, M N. Okay, so let's click the done, and here I will add each product, each variant image. Okay, so those are the products. So let's click this one, And then let's move into the next one. This one, I'm not going to select this and this one. So each variant I'm going to add so that customer can actually identify which product they'll buy. So let's click the each one so that this actually I am following the AliExpress products because AliExpress didn't mention the variant name. That's why I mention here ABCD. So whenever someone order, I will be able to see that which variant they order. Okay, it is A or V, C. I can identify like that. So let's go here, and then this will be K, and we have a lot of variants. So let's do it each one step by step so that we not make any mistake. Oh my god, there are a lot of product. Okay, so we can keep it like that. Okay, so guys, we can keep it like that. So if you want, you can do it like that. So let's come on over here. So we can actually give how many product available in this variant. So A, B, C, D, all the variant we have like a 55 product available. So that if you actually keep it here, 0 customer cannot buy this variant. So that's why don't forget to mention the how many product available. That's done. So it's time to add to the collection. Let's click on the collection. So my collection name is suicide. So let's write the S. So suicide actually show here. Let's click on the save. Okay, so this product also have been added. So let's click on the done. So guys, this way I'm gonna upload a lot of products. I will create a part by part video actually how I upload product on Shopify. So this is pretty much it of our video. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. And this is my agency website. Here we have a portfolio. We are providing Shopify related on Shopify service. You can see our Shopify previous homepage and product page and collection page, live project and client meeting. All these things you can see from here. So guys, thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day.